we have switched on the air conditioner now, and you can see the control panel showing some reading. It is temperature in degree Celsius. So when air conditioner is working in cooling mode, then the front portion is working as evaporator, and the air from room is sucked from this portion and thrown out from this window to the room. Air is coming from this window outside the room, and there are louvers to distribute the air uniformly inside the room. In some cases this is automatic, and in some cases this is manual. Mostly this is motor driven louver and rotates continuously depending upon the requirement of the user. So this is evaporator unit, this much. Fan motor or condenser fan is rotating and throwing the air this way. Means this condenser unit is hanging outside the wall, and the hot air is thrown out. Initially the fan motor starts, but compressor starts after 1 or 2 minutes by means of a timer switch. Normally all the air conditioners having a timer switch. So as soon as we switch on the power supply, immediately compressor is not starting. It starts after set time in the timer. This is factory set, not by the user. This is condenser. The hot air now is being thrown out to the room. As you can see, the hot air is being thrown. Now the compressor starts. You can see the humming sound of the compressor. So this is compressor, heart of the air conditioning system. This is also hermetically sealed, duly welded at peripheral, complete circle to avoid any possible leakage from the system. The shell consists of motor inside this solid shell and pumping system. From the compressor, 3 pipes are coming out normally. One is discharge pipe, discharge line, and another is suction line, and third one is for charging the system, which is this pipe. It is sealed here and welded, and this is used for the charging of the system. Now if you look at the refrigeration cycle, the high pressure and temperature refrigerant is coming out from the discharge pipe. This is discharge pipe connected here at the top of this particular compressor by means of gas welding. You can see this is gas welding to avoid any leakage. This pipe is now hot because high temperature and pressure refrigerant is pumped out by the compressor, and taken out by this discharge pipe and going to the other side to the solenoid valve, because this is heating and cooling both type air conditioner, so a solenoid valve is required. So this discharge pipe came from compressor, getting connected with this solenoid valve port and coming out from this tube and going to condenser. Here in condenser, the hot refrigerant here is the condenser. The hot pipe came here and connected with the condenser at the back side. Now the refrigerant, due to high heat transfer, losing its heats to the environment, which is being thrown by the fan motor and slowly getting condensed from top to bottom, and as soon as it reaches at the bottom, it gets almost condensed or converts into liquid form. From here, the refrigerant is to pass through a small filter. A small filter, I will show in another video which type of filter is this. This filter to segregate any impurity in the refrigerant if possible, and then an expansion device, which is this capillary tube, small diameter tube, capillary tube. This, there are two, one is this, another is this, and then through another pipe going to evaporator side. Here, this is capillary tube connected here. As you can see, there is sweating, some water content, because environment is very humid, so the water content in the air getting condensed on the outer surface of the evaporator inlet pipe here also. So the liquid now starts boiling or evaporation starting. These pipes of evaporator carrying the refrigerant and cooling effect is being taken out from this side to the room, from that window. All the tubes having sweating now. So since the weather today is also very humid, so lot of water is being condensed on the tube of evaporator, and this water is collected in the pan or bottom of the air conditioner cabinet, and then it is collected from this pipe. This is drain pipe. So whatever water is collected in the cabinet, it is drained out from this pipe. That you might have seen that in rainy season the lot of water is being drained from the back side of air conditioner. So this is normal operation of the air conditioner. In next video we will show the heating mode of the same system. Now look at the front side. There is a thermostatic switch. This is a sensor which is fixed at the front of evaporator coil to sense the temperature, and electrically this is connected to the control panel where it senses the temperature and switching or on or off the system according to the set temperature of the room by the user. Thank you.